and the other 75 who are exercising their constitutional right under Article 37 to peacefully assemble, demonstrate and picket were shot and killed by police using live bullets under the command of Nairobi police boss Adamson Bugei. Hundreds more suffer from permanent damaged bodies as a result of police violence, including unlawful abductions and kidnappings. Let us make it clear that any person joining Ruto's regime has in effect endorsed the killing, maiming, abductions, and torture of innocent Kenyans. Let it be known that those members who have accepted their nomination to join Ruto's cabinet are doing so in their individual capacities. As a coalition, we affirm our commitment to stand against the injustices and the police brutality. We demand the arrest and prosecution of all officers who shot and killed the Gen Z's protesters. To all Kenyans, especially the young Kenyans out there, we want to assure you that all is not lost. Let us keep our hope alive and fight for what we believe in. We ask all who oppose the Kenya Kwanza's bad governance to continue standing together and firmly so that there is light, and because there is light at the end of the tunnel. We'd also like to take this opportunity to thank our leader, Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, who has led our coalition successfully since its formation. We know that the Right Honorable Raila Odinga's quest for the African Union Commission leadership will enter a critical stage beginning next month. We all wish him luck as he prepares to take on the continental duties. As Azimio, and as you have witnessed in the recent past, His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka has continued to lead us while Raila has been out seeking for the leadership of the African Union. And we continue to ask him to guide us as a coalition, even as Raila gets to enter the critical stage of his bid for the AUC. We have been led by our leader here, and we know and we have resolved that he continues leading us, even as we allow Raila to continue with the AUC campaigns, and they will be heavy, certainly, going forward. May I also say, tell Kenyans that you are looking at the alternative government. What is before you today, and many others who will be joining us, are the ones who will be forming the government, because Ruto has completely failed in any attempt that he has made. We want to assure all Kenyans that we will continue to advocate for their rights. When the choice is between the people of Kenya versus the Kenya Kwanza regime, there is only one choice: the people of Kenya. God bless Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition. God bless our country, Kenya. End of statement. Sawa sawa.